Now for a secret question, which we won't tell anybody.
Sure.
For us. What's next in this field? I mean, what's the next upcoming thing which is going to hit us? Because already we have Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, creation, videos.
Right.
What's the next big thing which is going to happen? Now I'm asking you because you wrote that book and you came up with this stuff in 2016.
Yeah.
It's peaked now.
Yeah.
So what's going to peak in 2026?
Maybe-
ये शायद हम किसी को नहीं बताएंगे.
Yeah. maybe a few more platforms.
Okay.
Maybe I think okay. I think and I pray both that short content should die. Long form content should sustain, right? For many reasons, right? But again, जैसा trend दिख रहा है, I think I might have to chew my word, and short form content is gonna be there for like 10 more years for sure, right? So all of these platforms, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, they'll all evolve. I don't see collaboration for sure, but they'll all evolve. They'll make content more accessible. Like for example, if I look at the back end of YouTube today versus 3 months back, there's a lot changed.
Yeah, I'm sure.
A lot changed. And sometimes, like when I'm doing team meetings and I'm saying, okay, open the back end and see there is a new like page, and like what is this new page? And like, okay, let's learn this, right? So yeah, evolution will happen.
Right.
A lot of money will be made. A lot of careers will be made. It's so empowering that you don't have to look for a stage. You can create your own stage today, right? So yeah, that's what is in the future.